Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Gigi here. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video, I brought you guys a clean and decorate with me. I'm gonna be revamping my breakfast nook today, so you guys gotta stay tuned because it came out so good, as you may already see on the thumbnail. So let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm trying to broom the whole area, not only the area where the breakfast nook is, but I'm brooming the whole house because it was a mess. So I'm gonna, to bring the whole mood, I want to clean the whole downstairs area. So I start with brooming the floor first, and I'm gonna declutter. I'm gonna mop, then we're gonna get to revamping the room. As you can see here, I only have the table and the chairs. I didn't have anything, but we're not rushing. We're just taking our time and enjoying the process of decorating the house. So at first I was kind of stressed about it, but to be honest with you, if you really want your house to come out a certain way, you have to take the time, and I have to learn that. I learned that in my other house because I just wanted to fill my house with things. I didn't want when people come visit and the house is empty. So I was buying anything, even though everything came out really nice in the other house, but I feel like I could have done better if I took my time. And even then, I was still changing things and buying other things. I mean, in reality, you will never really stop decorating your house. You always gonna want to change things. I get bored a lot, so I change decorations all the time. So I know I'm not gonna stop decorating, but for now I'm gonna take my time and get pieces that I know that's gonna last for a long time in my house, that I won't have to sell, which is what it used to happen. I had to sell or return my things. So I want to take my time. I already made that mistake in this house by buying the couch in the living room, because yeah, I'm not liking it no more. But it's gonna have to stay for now until I find the perfect one. So, and that's fine because I can have it for a couple of days. So what I'm doing here, I'm cleaning the chairs and stuff because the kids, that's where they eat. That's where we eat. So there's crumbs and grease and stuff, and you know when kids are eating, what they doing. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the video. Before I do that, if you're new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially subscribe, because we always looking for new friends here. So just go ahead, subscribe, let me know who you are, and let's be friends, okay? So that's how it's gonna be. There'll be no more second chances. So that's how it's gonna be. There'll be no more second chances. Just onto decorating. So if you stay tuned, this is the decoration part. First thing I'm gonna do is installing a curtain. Put up a curtain or installing a curtain. Yes, I'm gonna install a curtain because there's no hook there, there's no nothing, so I have to do it. I'm not gonna explain it step by step because I'm not that great at it, but we're gonna do it. So first thing, like I said, when I was in this, when I came to the house, the person that was living here didn't have a curtain either. So that was the first thing. I was like, if we put a curtain here, it was gonna look so nice and so cozy. So the plan is to put it all the way up to the ceiling. And as you guys may know, if you put your curtain all the way up to the ceiling, it makes the house look so nice and big. So as you can see, the other curtain next to me is not all the way up like that, and I want mine to be touching the crown molding. So that's how high I want it. Anyways, I have the 108-inch curtain. I will be showing you guys that after. And then we're gonna be adding a rug just to make it cozy. So this is what we're doing here.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further, away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky.
Falling curtains. I'm short, y'all. That's why things are falling off when I'm doing them.
Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter?
Alright, so I'm gonna start putting the decoration, but I wanted to show you guys first. I actually got these at Burlington Coat Factory. I like the big one in the middle, so whenever I find those ones, I'm gonna change them because I feel like they look too small on the wall. What do you guys think? I think they look too small. I think I can go for a bigger one. So these small ones, I'm probably gonna use them in the guest room on top of the bed. Once I find the big ones, I'm gonna replace that. The rug I got at Ross for $59.99. Okay, I don't like to spend so much money on rugs. I know some people do it. If I had the budget, I'll probably do it because I mean, if you get a better rug, a good rug, it's gonna last you a long time. But I don't have that budget right now, so anything that can make my house look nice, I get. But this rug is gorgeous. It's really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up when I'm giving you guys the overview, but I thought it was gorgeous. I couldn't believe that this rug was $59.99. So I thought that was a really good deal. guys can see, but we have like a blue theme going on around the house. It started in the living room, and I'm bringing it all the way around. I'm actually putting a blue vase in the kitchen on the island, so I'm bringing it around. So this is the finished look. I wanted to show you guys from the front of the table. This is my little entranceway. I love it, and I have a video coming on how I style it, so stay tuned for that. And then I'm gonna show you guys how the kitchen looks, so stay tuned so you can look at the finished look. Thank you so much for being here today. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, comment, share, and let me know what you think of the decoration. This is something I love to do, so definitely like the video so I can make more decorating videos. I actually put those flowers there from I got them for Mother's Day, so I put them there. Got those pillows on those chairs at Burlington also, and I love them. And then those pillows are like older pillows that I already had in the other house. So like I said, thank you so much for being here today, and I appreciate you guys. Here is the finished look of the kitchen area, breakfast nook area.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot